Well, I'm here at Firestone, getting the front end aligned. Hopefully that's not going to be an issue. The car sits pretty low, so hopefully they can get it on their alignment rack without it being a problem. I can't help but feel a little bit nervous about this after putting so much work into it, so much time, that I'm having a technician that was probably born in 2000 working on my 1974 car. So being an old classic may or may not mean anything to him, so I want somebody to take good care of it. That feeling you get when you take your child to the doctor. That's kind of how I'm feeling right now. I think one of the best things about the exhaust system is how it sounds on the inside, not necessarily how it sounds on the outside. I hope the phone's microphone can pick up this sound. I absolutely love that sound. You get a set of 18 gauge headers. There's just that certain metallic pinging sound that's just unbelievable. It's funny, on your first drive or so, it's like every little squeak or rattle, it's all blowing up in my mind that, oh my god, I got to go through the car, something's rattling or squeaking. When when you got a 48, 49-year-old car, sometimes it just rattles and squeaks. now that I got in the front end alignment, I think the car's ready to drive. And if I come across any small issues, well, I'll take care of those. But otherwise, I think I'm going to move on for the rest of this year. I'm going to move on to the Rally 350 probably right after the first of the year. I'm going to put that up on the rack and get going on that. So between now and then, got Thanksgiving coming up and then Christmas, and so I think I'm done working on the cars for a while. But after the first of the year, the Rally 350 is going to go up on the rack and it'll be its turn to get work done for a while. But in the future, I still have some interior work to do on the Trans Am. But I hope to get out and drive the car a little bit, enjoy it. It's fun to drive. So thanks for watching. And for those of you who have followed along on the project, I want to thank you especially. It's been quite the journey. I'm pleased with how the car looks. It needs a little bit of interior work, but the rest of the car, it looks pretty good. So thanks again for watching. And I hope you come back and check out some of the work I do on the Rally 350. And I'm also going to try to work on my model railroad a little bit, maybe for a few weeks, maybe get something done with that.